Hi, welcome to Astrology for GAN Traders. My name is Olga Morales. Now today is another really short video about some tool in Solarfire, which I have been using on Twitter. It's like a little calendar. Sometimes we have software and people don't know how to use all the tools in there. So I'm going to show you this one, which is very useful. So if you have Solarfire, if you don't, you can see what you can do. You've got a little icon at the top here that looks like it's got 31, but a little calendar. So if you click on that, you get these daily aspects, which I've been showing on Twitter. So you know what's going to be happening in the day, especially if you trade intraday and you like to see when swings happen. Now, what you can do here, you've got options. You can do 1 day, you can do a week, or the 31 is the whole month. So you can actually print this out and have your own little calendar. You can just run transits. Now you have preferences, okay? You can just do daily transits that are happening in the heavens. So that's transits to transits. You've got all these other options here, sign ingresses. You can even put in parallels of declination, stationary points, or whatever you like in here. You can have the moon, the void of course, ingresses. You can pick what you want in here. Also, the time zone where you live. Anywhere in particular, or if you want to look at it in just from GMT, you can put in London. It's up to you what you want to do. So that's just daily transits that are happening. The other option is if you want to use a natal chart. So instead of clicking transits to transits, you click on transits to radix, okay? And you say, okay. Well, what radix, what you got to do is pick the radix. Okay, so you need to have some charts in here. So I've got Bitcoin here. Most people like to look at Bitcoin. So then we can just click on the, where's it gone? Down here. And instead of having that radix, we click down here and we can see that Bitcoin's there. So that's going to give you transits to the natal chart. So specific transits to Bitcoin. So if we look at just one, they're the natal transits. And like if you're new to astrology, it actually also gives you an interpretation. Okay, so look at this. The moon is trine. It tells you what the trine is, like a pyramid to Jupiter. Moon trine Jupiter. A great time to take up new feel-good opportunities, show your confidence, optimism, and reap the rewards. So you can do this for your own chart. So you just have to have your chart in here, and you can get, and the other good thing about it is you can export it to calendar, like Outlook, calendar, and a file. So I used to send it to my phone, but I don't do that anymore. So it's up to you how you want to use this, but on a daily basis, it's really good to have to know exactly what's happening if you're really interested in astro trading. So thank you for listening.